Dear students, now we are going to discuss the class 9th gravitation chapter NCERT example problem number 10.3. See the question. An object is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height of 10 meter. Okay, ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறீங்க, அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க, you can throw the object in upward direction, that is opposite to the gravity. Okay, so in this situation they are asking to calculate the first question, the velocity with which the object was thrown upward. So what about the initial velocity, that is u asking. Second question, the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. So you know the height reached by the object is 10 meter. In 10 meter to reach by the object, by taking the how long, by taking the time. So the first question they are asking initial velocity, second question the time taken by the object to reach the maximum highest point. That is the question. Okay students, first you draw one simple diagram, just draw like a ball or stone something. So in this case you throw upward direction, then it will reach maximum height. So you throw initial velocity something, that is u is question mark. Then after reaching the upward, the maximum height, v is 0 because final velocity is 0. Then distance covered from initial to final position is, that is we can write as, that is s question mark or h question mark. Okay, and then how much taking time, that is t also question mark. So this is the simple picture. So after this simple picture, so we can do it, the problem. The first one, you should solve the problem. So first you write the solution. Okay, in the solution first given data, see the picture, distance traveled, that is h is equal to 10 meter or s equal to 10 meter. Next initial velocity we are going to calculate, that is question mark. Next final velocity, that is you know after reaching the maximum height the final velocity is 0, that is 0 meter per second. Next acceleration due to gravity, that is you know, that is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. The next one, acceleration of the object, you know, that is it is opposite to the gravity because the object is moving opposite to the gravity. So acceleration, that is a is equal to minus g. So we can write acceleration equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square because upward motion. Okay students, now we can solve the problems. The first question, you know, we should find initial velocity. So what are the data already, you know, final velocity, that is 0 we know, distance traveled by the object you know. Okay, so what is the relationship between u, v and s? So you know the equations of motion, that is v squared equal to u squared plus 2as, that is the first step. Next step you can substitute the value v squared. So v is final velocity 0, so 0 squared is 0 is equal to u squared, we don't know, we are going to calculate u, therefore u squared you can write plus 2 as usual. A is nothing but upward direction acceleration, so minus 9.8 into s value, you know, s value is 10 meter. So the next step, that u square is moving left side, become minus u square is equal to 2 into minus 9.8, we can write minus 2 into 9.8 into that 10. Okay, then the next step, it is not available in the picture, so please include minus sign will become cancelled. So the next step is u squared equal to 2 into 9.8 into 10. Then next step, again u squared is equal to 2 into 9.8, how much? Yes, that is 19.6. Okay, 19.6 into 10 is how much? That is 196. So next step you can write u squared is equal to 196. Therefore u is equal to, square is moving the right side, become root, therefore u is equal to whole root of 196. You know 196 taking root means how much will come? 14. Therefore because you know 14 into 14 196, therefore u is equal to 14 meter per second. Okay students, now we found the initial velocity of the object, that is u is equal to 14 meter per second. Okay, right. Now shall we move the second question? Yes, second question is the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. Okay, so please listen. So they are asking the time. So if the time we can found in two way, that one is v is equal to u plus at. Okay, because time is there, u value you know, v value you know, a value, that is the gravity. Okay, then the second one more formula, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, so now I can use the simple formula, that is v is equal to u plus at. Okay, so please listen students. V is equal to u plus at. V is the final velocity, that is 0, and the u is that is a 14. U value 14 meter per second. Then acceleration minus 9.8 into t value we are going to calculate. Okay, so the next step, it is not in the textbook. I can write now. 0 is equal to 14 minus 9.8 into t. Okay, so actually the 14 is moving in the left side. What happened? Minus 14. So minus 14 is equal to minus 9.8 into t. So left side and right side minus minus will be cancelled. So the next step is 14 is equal to 9.8 into t. Therefore I need t only. Therefore t is equal to 14 divided by 9.8. 14 divided by 9.8, if you divide, you can get, that is 1.43. Next, that unit is time unit is second. Therefore t is equal to 1.43 second. Okay students, so actually what is the meaning of this question? If you throw one object with initial velocity of 14 meter per second, in 1.43 second it will reach 10 meter height. That is the meaning. Okay, so finally I can write that result alone, that is initial velocity equal to 14 meter per second, and time taken by the object to reach 10 meter height is in 1.43 second. Okay students, I hope you understand this question. Okay, so after that, with the help of the small diagram, you should write the solution neatly. Okay, thank you.